Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. On Monday during Asian trading, the US dollar index rebounded slightly to around 98.6, ending a 4-day losing streak. Prolonged US government shutdown concerns, speculation about more Fed rate cuts, and renewed trade tensions are weighing on sentiment. Recent FX volatility highlights how geopolitics now drives currency moves, turning the dollar from a safe haven into a pressure point. All eyes are on the upcoming Trump-China leaders meeting. Easing tensions could lift the dollar, while stronger rate cut expectations may keep it under pressure. WTI crude is trading near $56.95 after touching a 5-month low of $56.15 last Friday. The IEA's warning of growing oversupply and news that Presidents Trump and Putin plan to meet again on Ukraine added to volatility. Renewed trade friction has fueled fears of weaker growth and lower energy demand. While near-term spreads remain firm, longer-dated contracts signal weakness, suggesting supply-demand balance may soften. If stockpiles keep climbing, the bulls could stay under pressure. Gold surged more than 2% on Monday to a fresh record above 4,381, fueled by expectations of further Fed rate cuts and sustained safe haven demand. The US government shutdown drags on despite White House comments that it may end soon, and uncertainty is boosting risk aversion. Investors are also eyeing renewed US-China trade talks in Malaysia between Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Vice Premier He Lifeng. President Trump struck an optimistic tone, calling previous tariff threats unsustainable. The yen weakened to around 150.8 on Monday, extending its prior session losses as traders prepared for Japan's leadership election. The ruling LDP and the Japan Innovation Party agreed to form a coalition, paving the way for Sanae Takaichi to become Japan's first female prime minister. The so-called Takaichi trade reflects expectations for fiscal stimulus and continued monetary easing, lifting equities but pressuring domestic bonds and the yen. With the Bank of Japan meeting next week, policymakers are widely expected to hold rates steady. The euro struggled for a second day on Monday, trading near 1.165 inches Asia. Bloomberg reported that S&P Global Ratings downgraded France from AA to A+, citing rising fiscal uncertainty despite the 2025 budget plan. Earlier political stability in France had offered temporary relief, with Sébastien Lecornu's reappointment as Prime Minister easing market nerves after 2 no-confidence votes failed. Still, limited upside for the dollar due to expected Fed rate cuts helped the pair find some support.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.